Welcome to Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 256GB unboxing. Let's dive in and see what this mid-range tablet has to offer. We have the stunning Tab S9 FE itself. The design is sleek and modern, and it feels incredibly premium in hand. Let's see what else is in the box. Tablet, S Pen, charging cable, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, design and display. This tablet is an absolute looker. The black finish is gorgeous, and the build quality is top-notch. It's lightweight and easy to hold, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The 10.9-inch display is a dream. Vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth scrolling. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or working on creative projects, this screen delivers. The included S Pen is a game-changer. It's incredibly responsive and accurate, making it a joy to use for note-taking, sketching, or even signing documents. Plus, the Air actions are super convenient for controlling your tablet without touching the screen. Advantages: performance and battery life. It handles multitasking effortlessly, and even demanding games run smoothly. Plus, the battery life is impressive, so you can enjoy long hours of entertainment without worrying about running out of juice. Advantages: versatile and entertaining. The Tab S9 FE is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for entertainment with its stunning display and immersive sound. You can also use it for productivity with features like split-screen multitasking and the S Pen. And if you're creative, you'll love the possibilities for drawing, painting, and video editing. Conclusion: overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is an exceptional tablet that offers incredible value for money. Its stunning design, impressive performance, and versatile features make it a standout choice. If you're looking for a tablet that can handle everything you throw at it, this is definitely one to consider. Let me know in the comments if you're thinking about getting the Tab S9 FE. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.